Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are going to solve three different type of maths. Like here we find out calculate the cost of one child ticket. Another one is how much would brain charge, and third one find the number. Let's start. First question. Here at a theme park, the Jones family purchased 2 adult tickets and 3 child tickets for $48. The Evans family purchased 3 adult tickets and 1 child tickets for $44. Calculate the cost of one child ticket. So here two type of tickets, one is adult tickets, another one is child tickets. So let X be adult tickets and Y be child tickets. Okay, for Jones family, we can write 2 adult tickets, it means 2x, and 3 child tickets, 3y. 2 adult tickets and 3 child tickets equal $48. We can write this one equation 1. Okay, for Evans family, for Evans family 3 adult tickets, it means 3x plus 1 child ticket y equal 48. No, this one is $44. We can write this one equation 2. So our target, calculate the cost of one child ticket. So we have to find out the ticket price of one child ticket. So here look, here is two equation. One equation 2x plus 3y equals to $48, another one is 3x plus y equals to 44. So first we have to find out x value, or we have to find out y value, but we have to out one value. So in this case what can we do? In equation 2, we will multiply by 3 and subtract with equation 1. Okay, so look, if we multiply by 3, so 9x plus 3y equal, here is 4 times 3, it means 2, 12, so carry 1, again 12, carry 1 plus 12, it means 13. Okay, and we will subtract with equation 1, so 2x plus 3y equal what? 48. Okay, so once we subtract, sign will be changed. So here 3y and minus 3y will out, 9x minus 2x, it means 7x. Here 132 divide minus 48, so we can write here is 8 and here is 12, so 4, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, and here is 8. So x equal, if we divide both sides by 7, here is 12. 12 times 7 means 84. So this one is, so one adult ticket price is $12. Okay, is $12, x equal $12. So equation 1 or equation 2, we can put the value. So in equation 1 we put x equal 12. So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 48. 2x plus 3y, or we can put value equation 2. Equation 2 is a very slow or small. Equation 2 is 3x plus y equals to 44. 3x plus y equal 44. So look, here is 3 into x. X means 12 plus y equals to 44. So y equals 3 times 12 means 36. If we exchange this one, 44 minus 36, so 8. Our result is 8. So our question is calculate the cost of one child ticket. One child ticket is $8. Okay, this is our answer. Hope you understand this one. So this is not so hard math, so hope you understand this one. Second question. This one is second problem. Where Brain is a window cleaner, he uses the following formula to calculate the amount to charge his customers. Charge is $20 plus 4n. Okay, where n is the number of windows a house has. So our main part is, if a house has 7 windows, how much would Brain charge? So here n equal 7. This one is 7. 7 n means the number of windows in house. So here this house windows number of amount is 7. So charge equal 20 plus 4n. So 20 plus 4 times 7, 20 plus 28, because 4 times 7 means 28. So here is 48. So cleaner will be charged what? Winner will be charged, cleaner will be charged $48. Okay, it's not tough math but very interesting math. Okay, so second one complete. Now third one. Our third question is, the product of two consecutive positive odd number is 195. Find the numbers. So here is one thing, what is consecutive number? Consecutive number is a regular number which come after by after, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a consecutive number. Or here is the product of two consecutive positive number. It should positive, it's not fraction or any point or any decimal number. And here is also another thing, the positive odd numbers. Odd means 1, 3, 5, like this. So consecutive odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, like this. So the product, it means once we multiply two numbers, it will become 195. So what is the numbers? So let x be one number. Okay, and x plus 2 be the other number. Now again question, why we write x plus 2? Why not x plus 1 or x plus 3? Look, if 1 is a odd number, if we add by 2, it will become 3. 3 is another odd number. Again 3 plus 2, it means 5. 5 is another odd number. So x is one odd number. So x plus 2 is the other number which is consecutive. Okay. So and the product of two consecutive positive odd number is 195. So if we product this one, so x times x plus 2 equal 195. Okay, so this one we can write x square plus 2x, and this 195 if we exchange, it will become minus 195, and here is equal 0. So here is 195. If we factorize this one, 195, if we divide by 5, it will become 3, and here is 3, 5, 15, 19 divide minus 15 is 4, 4, 5, 45. So 5 times 9 means 45. So again 3, and here is 13. Look, this one is 15 and minus 13, it will become 2. So we can write x square plus 15x minus 13x minus 195 equal 0. If we take common x, so x plus 15, and then minus common 13, x plus 15 equal 0. And here is x plus 15, and here is x minus 13 equal 0. So we can write here the positive number. So here is x plus 15 equals 0. So it will become x equal minus 15. We can write it's not acceptable cause what? The number must be positive number. Look, here is positive odd number. So it's not acceptable cause number must be positive number. Okay, and again, or x equal minus 13 equals 0. So x equal 13. So x means one number is 13. So one number x equal 13, another number x plus 2 equal 13 plus 2, it means 15. Okay, the two consecutive positive odd number are what? So we can write the two consecutive positive odd numbers are 13 and 15. Okay, very easy way we solve our problem. Thank you very much being with me. This video we are solving 3 practical problem. Hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.